Each module had a different mentor, and with each one I had an amazing response and support throughout the projects. Myself Alefiya, and I've completed the course PG Diploma in graphic design. Amazing. Like since the beginning, I didn't expected a online course to be this interactive, engaging, building a community with our fellows. Like mostly in online, we have these lectures recorded, and it's up to us to watch or not on our free time in any way. So yeah, quite impressive. The modules were structured. I like the mentors' feedback every now and then. Each module had a different mentor, and with each one I had an amazing response and support throughout the projects. Like I remember for my brand identity project, Shreyashri ma'am was there. So she even held up a call on Sunday to give me feedback on my iterations. So it was really like supportive and engaging mentors. Amazing. It might not seem related to design. I think this course has helped me to gain confidence through my design process. I was a very creative child and doing doodles and sketches. Plus, I was not really that confident that I could build up my skills on design industry. So throughout this course, even my skill got brushed up, and have some feedback on you get conscious and you don't trust your own design. So yeah, I've built up confidence in myself a lot.